wearing this ridiculous lapel mic in the hopes that my sound will not be insane. We're trying it. Hello, welcome back. It is Amanda. My hair is wet. Anyway, today I'm here with the Morgan Taylor Splash of Color collection for summer 2023. I purchased this from polishpick.com. I think it's in collaboration with the Little Mermaid movie. It looks like it, at least from what I can see. And it's, you know, a mermaid themed collection. So 6 polishes here. Let's get to the swatches. I guess I should set up straight. I don't know what I haven't filmed in weeks. I feel off. The first polish is called All Sands on Deck, and this is a yellow pearl finish. Before I get started, I did swatch all of these over a base coat. I do think that helps, you know, coverage. So I have not perfect nails, and I don't really think it's fair to judge a polish based on my crappy nails. I'm trying to get better about swatching over a base coat. I just like to note that. There are a few pearly finishes in this collection, which are not my favorite. I do kind of think it makes sense with like the water theme though. I know we're not loving all of the pearls that are having their moment right now, but I think that they do actually make sense in this collection. So this is called All Sands on Deck. The formula is really great. I've been so impressed with Morgan Taylor polishes and formulas. I'm kind of new to the brand, and I'm really enjoying the polishes that I have tried. This is a 2-coat yellow polish. That's always a bonus. And I had no issues with the formula. It didn't run or pool. It's not too pearly, but it's, you know, there's a little bit of something there that's going to make it look like a little more than a regular cream polish. So it's 2 coats of All Sands on Deck. The next polish is called Corally Invited, and this is a peachy coral cream. Again, a really nice formula on this. You never really know with yellows or corals what the formula is going to be like. The formula was great on this. It covered evenly and easily in 2 coats. I do think that all of these leveled really well, which is a nice bonus. And this is 2 coats of Corally Invited. This is just a really great color. I'm not a peach person, but I do love a peach in the summer, and this is a great pedicure color as well. 2 coats of Corally Invited. The next polish is called Let's Crab a Bite. And this is described as a fiery tangerine pearl. And I loved this. I love a red orange. I love a red orange. A year round, actually. I love a red orange. This is definitely a fiery color, and this had an incredible formula, and it covered in 1 coat. I had one nail that had a few dark spots. That is, I think, my nails, or maybe even how I was applying the polish, not expecting it to cover it in 1 coat. But otherwise, I would confidently wear this in 1 coat and say, this is a 1-coat polish. Well, this is nothing, but this is a 1-coat polish. Formula is incredible, and I love this bright, fiery color, and that is 1 coat of Let's Crab a Bite. The next polish is called Ride the Wave, and this is described as an aqua teal glitter. I love a glitter polish. This covers in 2 coats. It is a glitter, so there will be some texture and like a little bit of scrubbing needed to remove it, but it's a teal glitter, like in a teal base. So the coverage is there in 2 coats, and it applied evenly. You're definitely going to want a top coat to smooth this out, but it wasn't excessively textured without top coat. Normal glitter texture for a polish that is a glitter. So 2 coats of Ride the Wave. The next polish is called Tell Me About It, which just cracks me up. And this is described as a light lavender shimmer. Lavender, very shimmery. I really like the shimmer in this because you can tell it's a shimmer. It's not like, is it a pearl shimmer? It's a shimmer. It's a little more pinky than I would probably call lavender. I would call this like an orchid shimmer. Doesn't matter. It's beautiful, and it covers evenly in 2 coats. So that is Tell Me About It. The last polish is called Octopi My Heart. Love that name. This is described as a fuchsia cream. This is another 1-coat polish. This isn't, you know, a neon, but it's a pretty bright polish, so it does dry a little bit dull, kind of that like demi matte. It's not full matte neon vibes, but it's kind of a semi matte formula. So definitely want a top coat for this, but it's beautiful and it's one coat, and that is You Occupy My Heart. I would love to know your thoughts on this collection. Why am I sitting so crooked? I don't know. I would love to know your thoughts on this collection. Are you a fan of Morgan Taylor? I'm very quickly becoming a big fan of the brand. I like the smaller collections. The 6-piece collection is perfect. And I am loving the formulas of these polishes. Really solid, and also very consistent, which is almost as important as how solid the formulas are. Are you consistent with your formulas? That's a big plus. So I'd love to know your thoughts. Thank you guys so much for watching. As I mentioned, I purchased these from polishpick.com, so I'll have her website listed in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video.